that the availability of petrol, that is motor spirit, diesel, high-speed diesel, and the liquefied petroleum gas in the state of Goa is stable and adequate to meet the current demands. Public sector undertakings, oil companies have prioritized domestic LPG supplies, and LPG cylinders delivery continue as normal. At present, OMCs are delivering around 10,600 domestic LPGs daily. LPG customers are encouraged to book cylinders through digital platform. The central and the state government are actively promoting piped natural gas, that is PNG, connections for domestic consumers to provide a reliable and continuous cooking fuel. In Goa, PNG services are already available in areas such as Tiswadi, Salset, Ponda, and Marmugua. Consumers may avail these services by registering online. For the convenience of the migrant laborers and the students who may not possess local address proof, the oil marketing companies are also making available 5 kg free trade LPG cylinders, which can be obtained from the nearby LPG distributors. In the state of Goa, district authorities have cumulatively conducted 450 enforcement raids till date and have taken necessary action in all cases where irregularities were found. The public is advised not to pay attention to rumors of any shortage or encourage in panic buying. Commercial supply as of now is almost reaching 60%, which has been supplied to all.